1. Become a virtual assistant. 2. Apply for freelance job. 3. Invest in stock. 4. Make money blogging. 5. Publish ebook. 6. Create an online course. Tutors students online. Offer digital marketing service. 9. Become a traveler consultant. 10. Sell advertising space. 11. Join an affiliate program. Start email marketing. 13. Create a membership site. 14. Create an app. 15. Create a subscription job. 16. Become a content writer. 17. Become a graphic designer. 18. Become a website developer. 19. Open a drop shipping store. 20. Build an e-com website. 21. Buy and flip website. 22. Create a podcast. 23. Start a YouTube channel. 24. Become a video game streamer. 25. Become an influencer.